Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the topic seed dispersal, chapter 12 of class 7th. So first of all we will understand that what is the meaning of seed dispersal. So seed dispersal is simply the scattering of seeds over a wide area. Means whatever the seeds of the plants are there, they are scattered from one place to another place. This particular process is only called as seed dispersal. Now, whatever the seed dispersal occurs, it occurs by various means like wind, water, animals, and by explosion. So one by one, we will study that how it occurs. So the first is dispersal by wind. Whatever the seeds which are dispersed by wind, they are very much light in weight, and mainly they have hairy growths which acts like parachutes and carry the seeds from one place to another place. So this is the mechanism of the dispersal by wind, we can say. And other examples can be like drumsticks, maple, sunflower, cotton. Okay, so these are all the examples of the dispersal by wind, seed dispersal by wind. Next is dispersal by water. Water lily and coconut palm are carried by water. Whatever the dispersal by water is there, in this particular case, whatever the seeds of the plants are there, they float over the water and they are carried from one place to another place, and along with that they cover a very long area or long distance also across seas and oceans. And the best example is for the coconuts. Third one is dispersal by animals. Dispersal of seed also occurs by animals. Now, one question is here that how does it happens by animals? So, in this particular case, whatever the seeds are there, they somehow get stick into the feather or to the body of the animal, and they are carried from one place to another. So, if we take the case of birds, okay, so birds also like to eat fruit and they help to disperse seeds to other areas through their droppings. Squirrels collect nuts like acorns and bury them for winter food, but they often forget where they have buried. Okay, and in this case, that particular seed grow into a new trees. So this is the dispersal by animals. Fourth and the last is dispersal by explosion. In this particular condition, what happens that whatever the ripe fruits are there, for example, castor plant, it burst suddenly with a jerk and scattered seeds far away from the parent plant. In this particular condition, whatever this explosion is there, this explosion is responsible for growing of a new plant at any particular place. So this is the dispersion by explosion. The other examples are shown in the slide. So few more are the pea and the bean plants. Also keep their seeds in a pod, and when the seeds are ripe and the pod has dried, the pod bursts open and the peas and beans are scattered. So this is all about it. Thank you everyone.